It's November, which means it's time to put the garden to sleep. The first thing we do is chop down all of the plants. We leave our dahlia tubers in the ground over winter, and the soil is happy, the tubers are happy if we just leave them alone all winter long. Our next step is to put a layer of compost on top of the beds to let the soil underneath stay undisturbed and all of the nutrients and the worms on top create a healthy soil for the next growing season. After that, it's time for a big layer of leaves. We're lucky to have maple trees in our front yard, and they create so many leaves for all of our garden beds. This top layer of leaves will act as insulation for the tubers underneath, as well as protect the soil from the weather. The worst thing for soil is to leave it exposed to rain and wind and the dry sun over winter, so you really want to cover it up with leaves. As I was cutting down plants, I found a few seed pods from my dahlias, so I'm going to bring them inside and see if I can harvest any seeds from them. After the leaves are all on top of the beds, the next thing I like to do is take some of those stems that we chopped and place them on top. This keeps the leaves in place, it adds even more insulation, and that way the wind doesn't just knock all the leaves back into your yard. Lastly, I like to give the yard a fresh mow and everything looks clean and ready for winter to just rest, relax, and be there in the spring. One last very important step is to disconnect all hoses before they freeze.